Measuring assignment B, found in this box, which is to the left of the teacher's desk, is about learning how to measure quarters of inches. So if we pull out our tape measure here, we learned this last week. Measuring quiz B was about whole inches, which are the long lines that go all the way across, and halves of inches, which is this long line that doesn't go all the way across and is in between the inch lines. Every single inch has one of these lines, half-inch mark. Measuring quiz B goes to the next increment and splits the tape even further, and you are now doing quarters. So if you divide the inch into 4 pieces, you get quarters. This line right there, which is is the second longest on the tape measure. It's shorter than the half-inch line, and it's the same length as the other quarter-inch line, which is over here. This is 1/4 because it's 1/4 of the way from 4 till 5, and this here is 3/4. So it's 4 1/4, and here is 4 3/4. Every inch has one of these. Here's 5 1/4, for example. 5 3/4. What you're going to be doing is same as we did for measuring quiz A. You're going to be hooking onto your measuring tape, hooking onto these pieces of wood, and you're going to make sure it's hooked on nicely on the end. You're going to look at this end here, and you're going to write down what it is. This is 6 and lines up with this long line there, so that's 3/4. B9. So there are 12 in this, so we're going to have B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, 7, 8, 9. This one's 9. So I'm going to write down 6 3/4. 6 3 over 4. That's how you write the 3/4. Hard to do this with one hand. 6 3/4 of an inch. Now let's do one more here. Let's do here. We'll do this one. 8 is it's past the 8-inch mark, and it goes to this one here, which is 8 1/4. So the answer for 8 is going to be 8 1/4 inch. Be sure you put the little symbol for inches. That's how you do measuring assignment B. There are 12 of them. Okay, there are 12 in this assignment. Measure them down, make sure your name is on it. Mr. M. And then you hand it in. Okay.